Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of problem in TikTok. Sorry, looks like you are not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. To fix this, what you have to do is just simply go back to your home screen. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply open any browser in your phone. From here you have to search for TikTok sign up, and here is the first link, so you have to tap on this, and from here what you have to do is just simply tap on use phone or email, and here you have to give your date of birth and set the date of birth, and your age must be about 16 years. So just tap on next, and here you have to give your phone number and then tap on send code, and a code will be sent to your phone number and your TikTok account will be created. And after that what you have to do is just simply go back, then open TikTok, tap on profile icon. So guys, from here what you have to do is just simply tap on sign up, and here is the option of login. So what you have to do is just simply tap on use phone, email or username, and here you have to give your phone number which you have given in Google Chrome. So just simply tap the phone number here and then tap on send code, and you will log into your TikTok account and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.